The reason I'm kind of, focusing on this is because, these are the things that are going to come across in an interview. Is that I keep on emphasizing about, if you want to be a data scientist, then just go and do it. Be a data scientist. And some people are coming back to me and saying, okay, well, how do I do that? The simplest way I can help you get started in that is to think about the way that you approach the world and how you think about the different things in your life, the different numbers, the different pieces of data in your life. One of the things that I really enjoyed about studying applied statistics, because that's what I studied at the graduate level, is that you learn that numbers don't live alone, right? Numbers are part of ranges. Numbers are relative to each other. Numbers can change over time. So try to incorporate that into your daily thinking. When somebody gives you a number, don't just accept the number. Ask about the ranges. What's the high? What's the low? Is this number good? Is this number bad? How is it relative to other values? Or when you start thinking about the results you're getting in life, not just in algorithms or your models, but in life, right? One of the things you're going to learn as a data scientist, as a practitioner, a data scientist, in the corporate world, is not algorithms are not perfect.